Student, I am Gautami Dhage from Indrayani English School. So today we are going to learn paint. So in a search bar type paint. Okay, see here paint app. Now open the paint app by double clicking on it. Okay, see the paint app get open. Now we will learn some interesting fact about the paint app. First of all, I will take one image here. Go to file, click on open and take one image here. Okay, I will take this cartoon image. Okay, I will save it. See, this is a cartoon image. Now first of all we will see how to select the image. See, this is an image 1 2 3. Okay, the cartoon of 1 2 3, it is an image. So how to select the image? Have you seen one rectangle here? Okay, see a small triangle is here. Click on that. Click on rectangular selection. Okay, now select this image. See, have you seen the dotted line? I selected this image. Understand, if you want to keep this image somewhere else, you can drag like this. This is called selection. In the same way, we can select this image randomly. Okay, means that random selection is called free form selection. Now I will select this image in a free form selection. See how it come. I will take only two, 1 and 2. Okay, see, I selected this image. Now I will move this image. This is called free form selection. Now next we will see cropping a image. How to crop a image. Okay, now we will see how to crop the image. So again, take one more image. Okay, now this time I will take this image. Okay, now we will crop this image. How to crop this image? First of all, select how much portion you want to crop. Crop means cut. ओके अभी मुझे इस पिक्चर में दिखाना है कि ये चिड़िया है वो अलग है. ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू क्रॉप, आई वॉन्ट टू कट दिस बर्ड्स. सो हाउ टू कट? जस्ट सेलेक्ट इट. सॉरी, okay, then click on crop. See, only birds you can see. This is called cropping, means cutting the picture. Then we will see how to resize and skew a picture. Resize and skew means to make it big or to make it small. Okay, now this is a small picture. I will make it a little bit big one. Okay, now I will resize this. Change the horizontal and vertical pixel. 300. Okay, 400. Okay, what happened? That picture get big one. Okay, this is called resizing the picture. Or if you want the small picture, again click on resize. Okay, just give the pixel 150. Click on OK. Or it get again big one. To make the small, click on screw. Screw is used to just make it a little bit horizontal or vertical. ट्रिप जो हम कहते हैं ना टेढ़ा, तो see this picture get changed. This is called resize and screw. Next we will see rotating and flipping a picture. So I will take a new one. So you can understand it better. Okay, this is a picture. Then how to rotate and flip this picture? Just click on rotate. Here you can see rotate right 90 degree. I will click here, see what happen. What happened? That picture get rotated. See, rotate 180 degree means totally ulta. I will make it again. So, okay, now we will see flip vertical. See, when I click on flip vertical, what happen? It get flip. Flip horizontal means it change the position by flipping. See the image here. Means see here. This is the original image. This is the flip image. How it get flip. Okay, like this mirror image. Okay, this is called flipping. Then we will see moving a picture. How to move a picture. How to move a picture. Okay, to show the effect of moving or copying a picture, I just take one picture here. Now we will see how to move. Move means cut and paste. Okay, copy means copy and paste. Now I will select this picture. Sorry, I will take the rectangular selection, so it is easy. This picture gets selected. Now I will click on cut, and now again I will click on paste. What happened? The picture get cut from one place and paste to the next place. Or if you want to change the place or you want to move, you can move like this also. Just select it and move. Now the same is copy and paste. Again select this picture, copy and paste. See what happened? Two pictures means a copy of that picture get formed, means we can get one or more copy with copy and paste feature. Okay, now you understand copy and paste. And at last we will see transparent selection. Okay, now see how to do the transparent selection. Just go to select. I will remove this. Click on transparent selection. Select the image. Then paste. Oh, the previous image get pasted. No problem. see the picture get pasted elsewhere. So this is called the transparent selection. Transparent selection means we can truncate the background of the picture, means we cannot see the background of the picture. This is called the transparent selection. And at last we will see how to save the picture. Just click on File and click on Save to save the picture. Now here you give the name Ancient People. It's okay, this is a good picture. So if you want to save this picture, save in JPG form, save. So in this way you can save the picture.